Well, this is Royal Doulton Old Leeds sprays. This is a 1-pint milk or water jug. Let me put my hands in so you get some scale, because we have got an almost identical one, which is a half-pint version. Narrower and much shorter, almost a squat design. But this is almost an octagonal ball, if I'm pushed to describe it. 8 wall sides, as you can see, classic Old Leeds sprays design. Beautiful hand-coloured floral sprays. And even with this piece, they usually go to put in these little motifs in the inner walls, which they have done on this. The green enamel, which is always worth checking when you're buying Old Leeds sprays, because it's so prone to little nicks and chips, is in brilliant condition on this one, as is the handle design, beautifully retained from 1936, which is beautifully impressed on the base there with the full Royal Doulton line and crown marks with the D and RD numbers nicely aligned for you. Glaze is in really nice bright condition, as you can see. A lovely looking vase that could be used as a vase, a table jug, a water jug, a hot water jug, or a 1-pint milk jug. It could also be used for serving sauces, gravies and custards as well, very practically. So a good all-rounder, I'd say, this size, and one to go in your collection of Royal Doulton Old Leeds sprays. 1936, Royal Doulton. And we'll pop a link in the description taking you directly through to the listing for this jug. If you're looking for others, do have a browse through on the website, because we've got 3 or 4 currently on catalogue. Going through a bit of a buying phase with Old Leeds sprays. When I see it coming through in mixed lots or auction lots, I am popping it onto catalogue. Doesn't fly out the other end, but people do like it, and periodically I think they're looking for specific pieces as replacements. So the more we have on catalogue, the greater the sales volume that we do get with this particular one. And obviously, by having a large collection together, if somebody is looking to put a set together from a single supplier, then we're able to do that. So anyway, follow the link if you'd like to find out more. Measurements, pricings, all the other details on the website. Just click over to Vintage and Antiques for more details. Thanks for watching.